अरबी के। अलिफ is for Allah, ba is for Bismillah, ta is for taqwa, sa is for sawab, jim is for jihad, ha is for hajj, kha is for khana kaaba, dal is for dua, zal is for zahab, ra Ramazan, za is for zakat, and sin is for salam. Shin is for shams, swad is for som, dwad is for daif, and twa is for taharat, zwa is for zalal, ain is for ibadat, ghain is for ghafur, and fa is for fatiha, kaf is for Quran Pak, kaf is for kitab, lam is for latif, and mim is for Medina, noon is for nom, waw is for walid, ha is for hidayat, ya is for ya Rasulallah, sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Alif ba ta sa jim ha kha, dal zal ra za sin shin, swad dwad twa zwa ain ghain, fa kaf kaf lam mim noon, वाव है हमजा छोटी ये बड़ी ये हरूफे तहज्जी अरबी के। अलिफ बा ता सा जीम हा खा, दाल जाल रा जा सीन शीन, स्वाद त्वाद त्वा ज़्वा आइन गाइन, फा काफ काफ लाम मीम नून, वाव है हमजा छोटी ये बड़ी ये हरूफे तहज्जी अरबी के। अलिफ बा ता सा जीम हा खा, दाल जाल रा जा सीन शीन, स्वाद त्वाद त्वा ज़्वा आइन गाइन, फे काफ काफ लाम मीम नून, वाव है हमजा छोटी ये बड़ी हरूफे तहज्जी अरबी के।
Hello students, today we are learning about adjectives and opposites. So let's start the video. Good, bad, big, small, happy, sad, sleep, awake, stand, sit, young, old, together, alone, black, white, in, out, same, different, attack, defend, active, lazy, back, front, near, distance, cute, ugly, brave, afraid, fast, slow, come, go, sister, brother, father, mother, day, night, outside, inside, more, less, strong, weak, man, woman, thin, fat, hot, cold, turn on, turn off, husband, wife, open, close, tall, short, pass, fail, comedy, drama, dark, light, angel, devil, king, queen, ask, answer, poor, rich, right, wrong, easy, difficult, hard, soft, build, destroy, love, hate, run, walk, speak, listen, give, take, boy, girl. Today we are learning about 100 plus animals name with their pictures. Lion, leopards, tiger, jaguar, cheetah, hyena, puma, fox, wolf, maned wolf, black panther, snow leopard, armadillo, aardvark, panda, rhinoceros, ape, hamster, beaver, coati, boar, capybara, deer, reindeer, springbok, ibex, fennec fox, coyote, oryx, lychee, echidnas, hedgehog, otter, giant otter, Komodo dragon, koala, honey badger, giant anteater, kangaroo, hippopotamus, great bilby, loris, clip spring, lemur, mandrill, lynx, marmot, skunk, marten, mongoose, okapi, nombat, muskox, pangolin, opossum, serval, raccoon, raccoon dog, Patagonian mara, dog, porcupine, wombat, red panda, red river hog, sloth, warthog, tapir, sifaka, Tasmanian devil, vicuna, bear, polar bear, Arctic fox, Arctic wolf, lizard, Basilisk lizard, bat, flying fox, elephant, giraffe, gorilla, dinosaur, monkey, chimpanzee, chameleon, iguana, hare, rabbit, crocodile, water dragon, mouse, rat, toad, frog, walrus, pig, mole, leech, eagle, spider, wild dog, zebra, centipede, millipede, scorpion, skink, snail, snack, Nile monitor,